Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Kick Auto Expert YouTube channel. Inshallah, today we discuss the timing marks, the timing replacement, Hyundai Genesis Kia Cadenza V6 2012 2013 14. First of all, we turn piston onto top, then we turn cam. You can see that mark of timing, exhaust side, that exhaust side, and another side of inlet, that mark of inlet camshaft, and that one crankshaft fully. You can see timing mark and also change mark, that change mark and fully mark. Then you check the left side head, that inlet camshaft chain mark and also pulley mark, and that exhaust side pulley mark and chain mark, and that one another right side camshaft exhaust side. You can see that exhaust side timing setting. You can see that mark a pulley and also a chain mark and fully mark, and that one crankshaft pulley mark. You can see that pulley mark and chain mark, and this side you can see inlet and exhaust, inlet chain mark and pulley mark, and another one exhaust coming as spring, that chain mark and timing marks. You can check easily and see that mark chain and also a fully marks, and that crankshaft mark. You can see on video. Hyundai Genesis Kia Cadenza V6. If you timing replaced, that you can see the top of one piston how camshaft coming, and another side left side, that right side you can see the camshaft position, and another side left side uh, four piston. You can see camshaft positions. You can see